we're very, very passionate and very, very enthusiastic about blockchain, but we also must be very cognizant that it still is an emerging technology. Just to give you some concrete numbers around this, last year we did some 85 projects with customers worldwide. This year in Q1 we've done some 45, almost 50 projects with customers worldwide. So it gives you an indication we're really getting started. We're in the foothills of this blockchain journey. And it's really another thing that our team gets involved in is actually helping people find a good blockchain first project use case. Now we encourage our customers and our IBM colleagues not to try and boil the ocean, not to go for the big, high-powered, high-fluted use case first, really to look for somewhere that they can start small, improve their awareness in blockchain technologies, and then grow very quickly as they actually learn and adopt. And we've actually put together a hierarchy of different use cases. So it's much easier to start with something on the compliance ledger and work your way up the stack than really trying to start higher. We sometimes get involved if customers are very, very, very passionate about quite complicated use cases. We'd then work with them to try and find a corner of that use case where they could actually get started. But very much keeping right to the front of our mind that we need to help the customer go through this awareness journey to really understand what things like smart contracts can do with them, can do in their business, and how they can actually engender better operations across their business networks using blockchain technologies. We've also noticed, while we've been on the blockchain journey, we've noticed some different types of players in the business network. Most of the companies we talked to last year were individual organizations who were saying, hey, this blockchain technology could be good for us if we use it with core members of our business network. So effectively sponsored by individual organizations and working outwards. But this year, already, we've actually talked to a number of different cross-industry organizations or within industry organizations of multiple companies who want to take on board blockchain and use it to make their small business network or maybe large business network more efficient. And we also see within these business networks different roles for the different parties involved. So clearly the regulator could be a national bank in the case of a financial use case for blockchain, could be sponsoring the growth of the network. A lot of the national banks are experimenting with the use of blockchain technologies for a number of different things, so they could get the project started. Industry groups. I was talking to an industry group just a couple of weeks ago in the UK who were interested in having a shared common process across their industry to make things more efficient. In this case, the concept of maintaining or building particular large complex things. Or indeed, the initiative could be actually started by a market maker, someone who actually wants to really try and push forward the way that the organization works and the way that a business network works to create new goods and services and to create new value within existing business networks. So we can start with any of these or any combination. And as I say, we've noticed the trend through this year of working with more business networks and while continuing, obviously, to work with individual customers to increase their awareness. So that takes me to the end of the second section. In the final section, I'm going to go and talk about for a few minutes about how IBM's getting involved in blockchain and how IBM is looking to apply blockchain technologies to improve how our customers work.